Good morning to all of you. Today our subject is engineering thermodynamics. Engineering thermodynamics. Clear? Engineering thermodynamics. Last class I have done 94 number of problems. Today I will do problem number 95. This problem from steam, from the chapter steam. The question is 1 kg of saturated water is heated at the constant pressure of 6 bar. Constant pressure of 6 bar until it becomes dry saturated. Find the work done, heat transferred, change in internal energy, and change in entropy for the steam. Clear? 1 kg of steam at 6 bar. This is volume, this is pressure P. Right? This is dry saturated line, dry saturated line, this water line. This is point C, critical point C. Clear? Water line, dry line, both line meet at point C. That point C is called critical point. This is wet steam. This is wet steam. Clear? Wet steam. Now, the question is, the initial condition is wet water, the final condition is dry. The question is 1 kg of saturated water means water, initial condition water is heated at 6 bar until it becomes dry. 1 water, 2 is equal to dry, constant pressure. That means U1 is equal to P2. Clear? This is B1, this is B2. Right? Now, mass water is 1 kg. Water heated at a constant pressure of 6 bar. P is equal to P and P2 is equal to 6 bar. Clear? Initial condition water, final condition dry saturated. Now, let P is equal to 6 bar. From steam table, clear? Means you will use steam table. This is steam table. Clear? I use this steam table to solve the problem. 6 bar. At 6 bar. 6 bar. Page number 15. Clear? At 6 bar, P is 6 bar. What is BF is equal to 0.001101. BF is equal to 0.001101 meter per kg. Here BG 0.3157. BG is equal to 0.3157 meter per kg. Similarly, UF1, UF is equal to 669.9. UF is equal to 669.9 kilojoule per kg. Clear? Energy. The UG is equal to UG 1897, no, 2567.4. 25 UG is equal to 2567.4 kilojoule per kg. Next, HF. HF is equal to 67.56 kilojoule per kg. Hg. Clear? Hg is equal to 2756.8 kilojoule per kg. Clear? Similarly, Hg. Hg is equal to 1.9312 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. What is SF? SF Hg is equal to 6.76 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Clear? So now initial condition water. So this is V1, this is V2, this is Q1, this is Q2, this is H1, this is H2, S1, S2. Right? P joule 6 bar. What is 6 bar? Means 600 kilopascal. This is equal to 600 kilopascal. So what is temperature? P saturated. Now a 6 bar P saturated. 6 bar. T is equal to 158.85 degree centigrade. Clear? T is equal to 158.85. T saturated is equal to 158.85 degree centigrade. I have calculated, found this value from the steam table. Now I'll put the formula from this for this problem. This is one condition water, two condition dry. This means U1 UF, V1 VF, H1 HF, S1 SF. This is water line. Clear? The point 1 is water line. So 1 means water. Point 2 lies in dry line. So 2 means dry condition. B2 BG, U2 UG, H2 Hg, S2 Hg. Clear? Now all values are calculated from the steam table. Now go to problem. Number 1, what done? Double. Double is equal to P into V1 V1. Clear? This is kilopascal. This is meter per kg. So the answer is kilojoule per kg. So this is kilopascal. This is meter per kg. So meter square cancel out. The answer is kilonewton meter per kg. So this is equal to kilojoule per kg. Clear? So multiply by m kg. So kg gets cancelled out. The answer will be kilojoule. So what is watt done is equal to? Watt done is equal to watt done is equal to m into p into v2 and v1. Clear? M, what is m? M is in kg. This is equal to kilojoule per kg. So answer is kilojoule. So what is m? So watt done is equal to m 1 kg into p 600 kilopascal into v2 and v1. What is v2? 0.3157 minus 0.001101. 001101. Now answer what done? Right? To find the answer what done? W is equal to, we will get use calculator to get answer. This is kilojoule. Similarly, heat transfer has deltas. Heat transfer delta H is equal to m into h2 minus h1. M is in kg. This is kilojoule per kg. Kg cancel out. The answer is kilojoule delta S. Right? Answer kilojoule. Next, change in energy. Number 3. This is number 2. Clear? 1, watt done. 2, heat transfer. Delta S. Number 3, change in internal energy. Change in internal energy. Value is equal to m into u2 minus u1. What is m? M is kg. u2 minus u1. u2 minus u1 is also kilojoule per kg. Kg is cancel out. Kilojoule. Clear? So delta you will find out something kilojoule. Put all the values from the given data, you will get the answer. This is kilojoule. Next, number 3, this is. Or 4. Change in entropy. Number 4, change in entropy. Del H is equal to m into x2 minus s1. Clear? This is kg and this is kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Kg cancel out, answer is kilojoule per Kelvin. Right? So delta C is in kilojoule per Kelvin. That's not 4. Clear? 1 watt done, 2 heat transferred, 3 change in internal energy, 4 change in entropy. These all answers are you will find out by using calculator. Clear? Next question number 96. Now, this is a very important problem, but simple, very simple, not difficult, but very important question. The question is 96, number 96. Now, the question is a cylinder fitted with a piston has a volume of 0.1 meter cube and contains 0.5 kg of steam until the temperature is 300 degrees centigrade. Clear? 300 degrees centigrade. While the pressure remains constant. Find number 1, the heat transferred. Heat is transferred. Number 2, change in internal energy. Change in internal energy. Clear? Number 3, change in entropy. Number 4, what done? What done? Clear? Now, this is volume, pressure P. Clear? Water line, dry line. What steam? Now, the question is a cylinder fitted with a piston has a volume of 0.1 meter cube. Total volume. Meter cube not per kg. Only meter cube means total volume. And contains 5 kg of steam. Clear? Until the temperature is 300 centigrade. A cylinder fitted with a piston has a volume of 0.1 meter cube and contains 0.5 kg of steam at 0.4 megapascal. Clear? At 0.4 megapascal until the temperature is 300 centigrade. That is, first we will find out what is bill of dryness fraction, what is specific volume. Now, specific volume m is equal to given m is equal to given m is equal to 0.5 kg. This is 0.5 kg. Total volume V is equal to 0.1 meter cube. Clear? Pressure P is equal to 0.4 megapascal. That means 0.4 into 10 bar is equal to 4 bar. Right? The given quantities will find out all values at this initial condition. And until the temperature becomes 300 degree centigrade, T2. T2 is equal to 300 degree centigrade. 300 degree centigrade. Clear? Now, what BS is equal to? Now, BS is equal to now total volume V is equal to mass into such volume. Clear? What is BS is equal to B by M? What is B? 0.1 by 0.5 meter to the power kg. So 1 by 5 means 0.2 so this is such volume B or BS. At P is 4 megapascal, 4 bar, at P is equal to 4 bar, T saturated, PF, PG. So find values at 4 bar from stream table, right? So at 4 bar from stream table, page number 15, page number last class I have done, last problem 15. At 4 bar, this is 4 bar, this is stream table, clear? So at 4 bar, T is equal to 143.63, T saturated, 143. Similarly, BF 0.001084, 0.001084 meter per kg, and BG is equal to 0.4625. BG is equal to 0.4625 meter per kg. Clear? Now, first find out what drainage fraction. Total volume is BS is equal to 0.2 meter cube, BF, BG. First find out the drainage fraction at 0.1. So this is 0.1, this is 0.2. Constant pressure, so P1 is equal to P2. Clear? This is P1, P2. Now you see At P1 is equal to 4 megapascal, 0.4 megapascal means 4 bar. T is equal to 143.63. This is wet condition. But the gas is heated, the what steam is heated until the temperature becomes 300 centigrade. But P1 is equal to P2. P1 is equal to P2 constant pressure. P1 is equal to P2 is equal to P. So at P is equal to 4 bar, the temperature is 143.63. But the given temperature is 300 centigrade, which is more than this given temperature. So the final condition of steam is superheat. Hence, I make the diagram 1, 2 at constant pressure up to superheat condition. Means this is point 1, this is point 2. Clear? Now, point 1, 2. So, first find out x. This is B1. This is B1. 0.2 meter cube per kg. Now, let x1 is equal to or x is equal to initial dryness fraction of x is equal to initial dryness fraction of steam. Now, what B1 is equal to BF1 plus x into BF1. This is one condition. So BFG are not given in steam table. This is equal to BF1 plus x into BG1 minus BF1. So find the value of x. So what is x is equal to B1 minus BF1 by BG1 minus BF1. Clear? From this equation I will find out x. Put values. What is B1? 0.2 minus what is B2? BF1 0.001084. 0.001084 by BG1. What is BG1? 0.4625 minus BF1 0.001084. 0.001084. Clear? Now we'll find out x. Clear? The x may be answer is 0.43. 0.43. Clear? The initial condition is wet, x is 0.43. Now find all the values. This is B1, 0.2 kg, 0.2 kilojoule per kg. Now, from steam table, at 4 bar, HF1, HFG1, UF1, UFG1, SF1, SFG1. Right? Find all the values. X is equal to 0.43 and B1 is equal to 0.2 meter per kg. Clear? Again I use steam table at 4 bar. The 4 bar, what is UF? HF 604.74. HF is equal to 604.74 kg per kg. HFG is equal to HFG 2133.6, 2133.8, 2133.8 kg per kg. Clear? HFG. Now UF. UF is equal to energy. UF is equal to 604.31 kg per kg. And UFG is equal to UFG 1949.3 1949.3 kg per kg. Next, SF. SF is equal to 1.7766 1.7766 kg per kg Kelvin. SFG is equal to 6.8151 6.8151 kg per kg Kelvin. Clear? These are the values at 0.1. 1 point means wet steam. So find total heat, total energy, total entropy, total volume at 0.1. Clear? So at 0.1, but V1 is equal to 0.2 meter per kg. H1 is equal to HF1 plus X1 HFG1. What is HF1? 604.74 604.74 plus X1 0.43 into HFG 2133.8. This is H1. Clear? Find H1. H1 is in kilojoule per kg. Next, what is energy? U1. Energy U1 is equal to UF1 plus X into UFG1. What U1 is equal to? UF 604.31. X means 0.43 into X 0.43 into UFG 1949.3. 1949.3. You will find out U1 in kilojoule per kg. U1 is in kilojoule per kg. Write this U1. H1 U1 B1. Next, S1. So S1 is equal to SF1 plus X into what is SF1? 1.7766 plus X. What is X? 0.43 into SFG. What is SFG? SFG in this case is 6.8951. 6.8951. Find out S1. Use the power physically. This is H1, E1, S1, V1. Clear? Now, two conditions. The condition 2 is super it. Clear? So, now this is one condition, U1, H1, P1, U1, S1. Now 2. The point 2 is constant pressure, but temperature is 300 centigrade. Clear? At P2 is equal to 4 bar and T2 is equal to kilowatts means T soup. T soup. Clear? We'll find all the values. Now, this steam table 3. From steam table 3, 4 bar, 300 centigrade. So this is 4 bar, page number 45, 300 centigrade, this is 300 centigrade. Clear? It is 4 bar, 300 centigrade from steam table 3, from steam table 3, superheated properties. Superheated steam. Right? From table 3 we will find out B2. B2 means B soup. B soup. 0.6548. 0.6548 meter per kg. H2 means a soup. Three zero six six point eight. 3066.8 kg per kg. Next, U2, U soup. This is U soup. U soup means 2804. 2804.8. 2804.8 04.8 kg per kg. Next, S2 means a soup. A soup. For superheated condition, a soup is equal to 7.5662. 7.5662 kg per kg. Right? Now, these are the values of steam at 4 bar, 300 degree centigrade, For superiority condition, that is at point 2. This is point 2. Clear? One condition wet, two condition superiority. Now, this is V2, V sub, H2, H sub, U2, U superated, S2, S superated. Now, find the mass of the steam is 0.5 kg. Clear? Now, find all the values. Now, total change in volume. Number one, total change in volume, delta V is equal to m into V2 minus V1. M is in kg, this is meter per kg, the answer is in meter cube. Clear? Answer meter cube. So delta V is equal to in meter cube answer. You find, put the values and get the answer. This is change volume. So what you have done? P delta V. Now what done? W is equal to P into delta V. What is P? 4 bar. Clear? Means 4 bar means 400 kilopascal. P is equal to 1 bar 100 kilopascal. First class I will tell you 1 bar is equal to 100 kilopascal. 4 bar is equal to 400 kilopascal. Clear? So this is equal to W is equal to 400 kilopascal, kilonewton per meter square, into delta V in meter cube. Meter square, meter cube, 3 cancel out. Now the answer is kilonewton meter, means kilojoule. What done? You will find out using calculator, kilojoule. Now, this is change in volume. What done? This is in meter cube. This is in kilojoule. Next, number 3. Now 2, 1. This is 1. What done? Number 2, heat transfer. Heat transfer. Delta H is equal to m into h minus h1. This is kg, kilojoule per kg. Kg cancel out, answer kilojoule. Find delta H in kilojoule. Right? Delta H kilojoule. Next, change in energy. Number 3, change in energy. Delta U is equal to m into U2 minus U1. This is kg. This is kilojoule per kg. This is kg, m in kg. This is kilojoule per kg. Cancel out, kilojoule. Clear? M is in kg, del U, kilojoule per kg. So kg gets cancel out, answer kilojoule. So delta U is equal to kilojoule. right? This is what done, change in enthalpy, change in energy. Next, change in entropy. Now 4, change in entropy. Del S is equal to m into S2 and S1. M is in kg. What is S2 and S1? Our values are in the question. Clear? For answer, S2 and S1 is in kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Kg get cancel out. This is kilojoule per Kelvin. So delta C is in kilojoule per Kelvin. Clear? Now, right now, this is answer for what done, change in volume, what done, change in enthalpy, change in energy, change in entropy. Clear? This completes question number 96. Then 97. Question 97. Now, this is question number 97. Very easy question, simple question. The question is 10 kg of saturated liquid water at 1 bar is heated at a constant pressure until the temperature becomes 200 centigrade. Clear? The question is 10 kg of saturated liquid at 1 bar is heated constant pressure until the temperature becomes 200 centigrade. Means condition 1 is liquid, condition 2 is superheat because the temperature is 200 centigrade, which is more than T saturated condition. I will find at 1 bar or T saturated. Then I will find all these values from stream table. Then I will make answer for this question. Now, this is volume B, this is pressure P, right? So, given condition, at P1 is equal to 1 bar, T saturated is what? T saturated 1 bar. 1 bar, T saturated is 99.63 degree centigrade. T saturated is 99.63 degree centigrade. Clear? This is P1. Similarly, at P1 1 bar, BF1, UF1, HF1, SF1. What is the mass is equal to 10 kg. Right? What is it 10 bar? At 10 bar, at 1 bar, not 10 bar. At 1 bar, BF1 is equal to 0.001043. Clear? 0.001043. 1043 meter per kg. UF, energy UF is equal to 417.36, 417.36 kg per kg. HF, energy HF is equal to 417.46, 417.46 kg per kg. And SF is equal to 1 bar. SF is equal to 1.3026, 1.3026 kg per kg Kelvin. Clear? These are all values at 1. So 2. At T2 is equal to 1 bar, T2 is equal to 20 centigrade. This 20 centigrade is more than 199.463 degree centigrade. This 200 centigrade is more than this. So the final condition is for it. This is T soup. This is equal to T soup. Clear? This is 1. This is 2. 1. This is not 1. This is 1. Water condition. 2. 1. Right? So 1 is liquid condition. This is water line, liquid line, water line, the dry line. This is super region. Super region. This is point C, critical point C. The inside of both inside of these two line is wet stream. Right? This is P1 is equal to P2. Constant pressure. Now at 1 bar 20 centigrade super condition. 1 bar 20 centigrade. So table number 3 super steam, page number 38. Clear? 1 bar 20 centigrade, 200 centigrade, 200, 20 centigrade. B2 is equal to B soup. U2 is equal to U soup. H2 is equal to S soup. S2 is equal to S soup. Clear? Now B soup. So B soup is equal to 2.17, 2.172 liter per kg. Clear? U2, U soup 2658.1, 2658.1 liter per kg. H2S soup 2875.3, 2875.3 liter per kg. Clear? S2S soup 7.8343, 7.8343 liter per kg Kelvin. Right? These are values at condition number 2.2. This is 0.2 super condition, 0.1 is saturated liquid. Now find all the values. M 10 kg. Clear? Now, for a measure 10 kg, number one, change in volume. Delta V is equal to M into V2 minus V1. Same is kg, this is meter per kg, the answer is kg, meter cube. Answer. Number two, what done? W is equal to M into P into P2 and V1. What is P2? P is equal to 1 bar. P is equal to 1 bar. Means 100 kilopascal. Clear? M is in kg. P is equal to 100 kilopascal. Kilonewton per meter square, 100. V2 times V1 is meter cube per kg. Kg is cancel out, meter square cancel out. This is kilonewton meter. Kilonewton meter means kilojoule. What done? Clear? Kilonewton meter means kilojoule. Now, change in enthalpy. Number 3. Change in enthalpy. Delta H is equal to M into H2 minus H1. Right? Change in enthalpy H delta H. What is M? Kg. What H1 minus H1? Kilojoule per kg. Answer is kg. Similarly, number 4, change in energy. Energy. Del U is equal to M into U2 minus U1. So M is in kg, U2 minus U1 is equal to kilojoule per kg. The answer is kilojoule. Right? This is change in energy. Next, change in entropy. 5. Change in entropy. Delta C is equal to M into H2 minus S1. So M is in kg. This is kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Kg is cancel out. The answer is kilojoule per Kelvin. Right? So delta C is equal to kilojoule per Kelvin. Now, we got all the 4 answers. Now, we got the answers in delta V is equal to meter cube. Clear? What done is equal to some kilojoule. Right? Next. Next. Change in enthalpy delta H is equal to some kilojoule. Clear? Delta U is also some kilojoule. Right? Change into delta C is equal to kilojoule per Kelvin. Clear? All these answers are here and the unit is meter cube and some kilojoule. This is kilojoule per Kelvin. Now, this is question number 97. Next class, I will do revision of all these theories. I have already done 32 number of classes today, means 32. I do problems including all these theories. Clear? Thank you. Please make like, share, subscribe. Thank you.